NetEngine 8000E F2C Installation Guide. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to install a NetEngine 8000E F2C, or F2C for short, in a Huawei A610 cabinet. Before proceeding, ensure that the cabinet is properly installed. Install guide rails. First, position the guide rails horizontally at designated installation points on the cabinet. Attach the front and rear hooks of each guide rail to the square holes on the cabinet's columns. Ensure correct placement using the left and right markings on each guide rail. Next, use M6 screws to secure each adjustable guide rail on both the front and rear sides. Install floating nuts. Place 4 floating nuts above the guide rails on the front mounting rails, 2 on each side, spaced 1 hole apart. Install mounting brackets. Use a screwdriver to tighten the 3 M4 screws on each side to fix the mounting brackets to the F2C chassis. Install the device in the cabinet. Facing the front of the cabinet, horizontally slide the chassis along guide rails until the mounting brackets are in close contact with the mounting rails and aligned with the floating nuts. Then, use 4 M6 screws to secure the mounting brackets to the cabinet. Install the ground cable from the F2C to the cabinet. Connect the 1-hole OT terminals of the ground cable to the ground point of the device on one end and to the ground point of the cabinet on the other end, and then tighten the screws at both ends. This video shows how to install an AC power cable. Route the cable along the cable ladder. Connect one end of the cable to an AC input port and secure it with a fastener. Then connect the other end of the cable to the power distribution panel in the equipment room. Use cable ties to fasten the cable every 150 mm from the bottom up to secure the cable to the rear column of the cabinet. Attach permanent labels 20 mm from both ends of the cable. Attach temporary labels to both ends of the network cable. Route the cable along the cable tray and connect it to the corresponding interface. Use cable ties to fasten the cable to the rack. Attach permanent labels 20 mm from both ends of the cable. Attach temporary labels to both ends of each fiber. Bundle fibers together and route the bundle along the cable ladder. Install optical modules. Use temporary labels on fibers to identify the corresponding ports on the device and connect the fibers to these ports. Insert fibers into optical modules until you hear a click. After the fibers are installed, use cable ties to fix the fiber bundle to the cable ladder. Attach permanent labels 20 mm from both ends of each fiber. It is recommended to route the management port cable and power cable from the left and right sides of the device, respectively. Ensure that they do not pass through any fans. It is recommended to route port side fibers from the left and right sides of the device for easier cabling and maintenance. For more installation information, see the related hardware installation guide.